To make a CoinLedger TurboTax report, start by gathering all your cryptocurrency transaction data, including purchases, sales, and trades. This information can be obtained from your exchange accounts, wallets, and other cryptocurrency platforms. First, create an account on CoinLedger, a platform designed to simplify cryptocurrency tax reporting. Once you have created your account, navigate to the Imports section and connect your exchange accounts and wallets. This will allow CoinLedger to automatically import your transaction data. Next, review and verify the imported transactions to ensure their accuracy. You may need to add or edit transactions manually if some data is missing or incorrect. CoinLedger also provides an option to upload CSV files for exchanges that do not support direct imports. After verifying your transactions, proceed to the tax reporting section. Here, you can select the tax year and the type of tax form you need to generate, such as Form 8949 and Schedule D for U.S. taxpayers. CoinLedger will then calculate your capital gains and losses based on your transaction data and the selected tax year. Once the calculations are complete, CoinLedger will generate a report that can be directly imported into TurboTax, a popular tax preparation software. To import the report, log into your TurboTax account and navigate to the Investments section. Select the option to import cryptocurrency data and upload the CoinLedger report. TurboTax will then read the report and populate the relevant tax forms with your cryptocurrency transaction data. Review the forms to ensure everything is accurate and complete. You can then proceed to file your taxes as you normally would. In conclusion, using CoinLedger to generate a TurboTax report simplifies the process of reporting cryptocurrency transactions for tax purposes. By following these steps, you can ensure accurate and compliant tax reporting, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors or audits.